Hey, welcome back everybody to another installment of Where Is This on my 6th generation Subaru Outback, which is the new name for all of these 6th gen videos, all right? So someone previously had asked me, where is the odometer mileage located? Like, where is the actual mileage I drove located? We got that here, okay? Mine is set in miles, but most of the world doesn't use the Imperial system. They use the metric system. So how do we change this from miles to kilometers? What we're gonna do is, let's take a look here. All right, and sorry for the glare. I think we're all gonna be okay. We'll get over it. Go into your settings. All right, you got the settings right there. All right, up top you got, let's just start all the way over. Here's what it's probably gonna look like. General, sound, phone, push the over arrow, radio, car. Go to car. All right, auto start, none of this, none of this. So if you start at the top, you're not going to see what you need. Boom, boom, boom. No, no, no. Go down. Still nothing. All right, don't get stressed. One more time and one more time. The very last thing, units. All right, so here you could change to kilometers, liters. All right, so now I just changed it. Look at that. All right, we got kilometers now. All right, we go back in. We can change miles, miles per hour, gallon, all right? Get all ignorant like the United States. And I live in the United States, but whatever. All right. What's that there? Back to our miles, all right? So that's how you do it. If you need to change it from Imperial to metric, switch it up a little bit, or you just want to try something new, that's how it works, all right? So if this video helped, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because there are all types of quirks on this 6th generation Outback that I'll be sharing with you on how to find them. Talk to you guys later. Thanks. Peace.